Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Coleman parts is probably one of the most essential components for any outdoor enthusiast looking to keep their gear in top-notch condition, ensuring that your trusty Coleman equipment, whether it's a stove, lantern, or cooler, continues to perform reliably on your adventures without missing a beat, making those camping trips and backyard barbecues even more enjoyable and hassle-free. Number 5. Coleman Roadtrip Grill Regulator Replacement. Is your Coleman Roadtrip grill not performing like it used to? This regulator is designed to be a perfect replacement, ensuring your grill runs like new again. It's compatible with a wide range of Coleman Roadtrip and Party portable grill models. Crafted from 100% solid brass and high-quality stainless steel, this regulator is built to last. Its durable and leak-proof design ensures corrosion resistance and reliable performance. You can easily install it without any tools, saving you time and money. Experience a consistent gas flow of 25,000 BTU/HR with an outlet pressure of 11 W.C. This CSA-certified regulator features a tightly connected air valve, allowing you to enjoy safe and delicious barbecues. It's designed for long-lasting use, so you won't need frequent replacements. This package includes one grill regulator, providing a complete replacement solution for your Coleman grill. Stop searching for individual parts, this is the perfect fit you've been looking for. It makes an excellent gift for any barbecue enthusiast. We are committed to superior product durability and quality. Enjoy a 90-day worry-free refund and a 2-year warranty. If you have any issues, our support team will provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like. This regulator is built to last with solid brass and stainless steel construction, ensuring durability and leak-proof performance. It's designed for a perfect fit with many Coleman Roadtrip models, making installation a breeze without tools. If you're looking to get your grill back to optimal performance without hassle, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This is a perfect fit for my old stove. The parts were exactly what I needed to get my stove working again. Easy to install and works just like the original part. Number 4. Coleman Cooler Standard Drain Plug Assembly. Introducing the Coleman Cooler Standard Drain Plug Assembly. This essential part ensures your cooler stays leak-free and ready for your next adventure. This assembly includes the drain spout, gasket, and drain cap. It's everything you need for a full and easy replacement. Designed to fit most regular Coleman coolers. Please check the compatible model list to ensure it's the right fit for your cooler. Crafted for durability, this assembly is built to last. Keep your cooler performing at its best with this reliable replacement part. Replacing your old drain plug is simple with this kit. Get back to enjoying your chilled beverages in no time. This is the official Coleman part number R5214D607G. Ensure you are purchasing the correct replacement for your cooler. What we like. This drain plug assembly includes all the necessary parts, spout, gasket, and cap, for a quick fix. It's designed to fit most regular Coleman coolers, making it a convenient replacement. If your cooler's drain is leaking or broken, this easy-to-install part will have it working like new again. What people say. This is a great replacement part for my old Coleman stove. It was easy to install and works perfectly. The quality of the material is good and it seems durable. Number 3. Coleman Stove and Lantern Repair Kit. Don't let a faulty pump ruin your outdoor adventure. This premium repair kit is designed to get your essential camping gear back up and running in no time. Designed for ease of use, it's compatible with popular lantern and stove models. You can quickly identify your model on the product label or inside the lid. Crafted with quality assurance in mind, this kit is proudly made in the USA. You can rely on its durable components for dependable repairs. Ensure your stove or lantern operates without interruption during your camping trips. This kit provides everything you need for essential repairs. Inside, you'll find a plunger assembly, pump cap clip, push-on nut, and cushioning spring. All the necessary parts for a complete fix. This repair kit offers dependable equipment repair, ensuring your Coleman stove or lantern is always ready when you are. What we like. This premium repair kit is manufactured in the USA, ensuring quality and dependability for your Coleman stove or lantern. It's designed for straightforward assembly and fits popular models like the 226 lantern and 442 550 stoves. If you want to ensure your essential camping gear keeps running smoothly without interruption, this kit is a reliable solution. What people say. This is a great replacement part that fits perfectly. The quality of the material is excellent and it seems very durable. Easy to install and works just like the original part. Number 2. Coleman Universal Plunger Metal Repair Kit. Introducing the Coleman Universal Plunger Metal Part. This is a 4-inch long plunger pump repair kit designed for various Coleman stoves and lanterns. This universal plunger is compatible with a wide range of Coleman models. It's perfect for keeping your equipment running smoothly. The specific part number for this metal plunger is 242J5201. Ensure compatibility with your existing Coleman product. It's designed to work with popular models like the 285-700E, 413G499, and many others. Check the description for a full list. Don't let a faulty plunger stop your adventure. This repair kit ensures your Coleman gear is always ready for use. This is a genuine Coleman replacement part, ensuring the quality and performance you expect. Keep your Coleman products in top condition. What we like. This is a robust, all-metal 4-inch plunger designed for broad compatibility with numerous Coleman stoves and lanterns. It's a universal part that can fix a variety of models, ensuring your equipment gets a durable repair. If you have a Coleman stove or lantern that needs a reliable pump repair and you're unsure of the exact part number, this universal plunger is a great option. What people say. The Coleman replacement part was an exact fit for my old stove. It was easy to install and brought my Coleman stove back to life. The quality of the replacement part seems durable and well made. Number 1. Garden Wind's RipLock 350 Replacement Canopy Top for Coleman Gazebo. Ensure a perfect fit for your Coleman Oasis and Back Home 13-foot by 13-foot gazebos. This replacement canopy top is custom designed for specific models, ensuring a seamless installation. Crafted from durable 350 denier polyester with a RipLock 350 reinforced grid pattern. This fabric is designed to resist tears and provide long-lasting protection. Enjoy outdoor comfort with UPF 50+ UV resistance and water repellent features. It's also CPAI 84 fire retardant for added safety during outdoor use. We stand by our product with a 1-year limited performance warranty. Our US-based customer support is available to assist with any questions. Please note that this product includes the replacement canopy top only. The metal frame and mosquito netting are sold separately. What we like. This replacement canopy top is specifically designed for a custom fit on Coleman Oasis and Back Home 13-foot by 13-foot gazebos. It's made from durable, UV-resistant RipLock 350 fabric that helps limit tears. If your existing gazebo canopy is damaged and you need a precise, weather-resistant replacement, this is the perfect solution to refresh your outdoor space. What people say. The Coleman replacement part was a perfect fit for my existing equipment, restoring its functionality. Installation of the replacement part was straightforward and required no special tools. The durable construction of the replacement part ensures it will last for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.